Hello and welcome to our video series. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today, we're going to decode the world of Internet of Things, or IoT, in manufacturing. We will explore its potential impacts on various aspects of business operations and how it is transforming the manufacturing landscape. We will also discuss some barriers to adoption and give you an idea of what to expect when integrating IoT into your business. Now let's get started. Internet of Things, or IoT, is already a significant part of many aspects of modern life, including business, but it's especially important in manufacturing, with value estimates projected to reach up to $3.7 trillion in factories alone by 2025. Let's start by exploring how IoT in manufacturing could revolutionize business. Industrial IoT, or IIoT, promises significant impacts for various aspects of business operations. Here's how this technology can transform manufacturing. Firstly, it enables better predictive maintenance. IoT sensors keep a close eye on manufacturing equipment and other assets. When used with CMMS software, maintenance teams can track asset data, receive alerts on when predictive maintenance tasks need to occur, and ultimately keep equipment in top-running condition. This means fewer breakdowns and less equipment downtime. Secondly, IoT technology allows for more automation. Once devices are installed, manufacturers can streamline personnel costs and reduce mistakes from human error. Thirdly, it means less monitoring time for maintenance technicians. Instead of spending hours each day doing routine checkups on equipment, technicians will be able to perform as-needed maintenance tasks based on IoT sensor data. Fourthly, IoT can lead to quicker time to market. With less downtime and higher production rates, you can go from product to market more quickly. IoT devices used for asset tracking, such as for packages and shipment vehicles, ensure everything arrives when it is scheduled. Lastly, IoT can result in lower overall costs. The efficiency of your processes helps secure higher revenue, and you suffer fewer losses. But before implementing IoT technology, it's important to perform a cost savings analysis. This can help you pinpoint where to start for maximum effect. However, it's worth noting that while IoT technology provides numerous benefits to the manufacturing industry, there are still some barriers to adoption. Some of those barriers include security, automation, upfront cost, and integration time. Security is a concern, as there is some worry that the system could be easily hacked, potentially compromising sensitive data, or locking up processes entirely. It's crucial to ensure that IoT devices adhere to solid security protocols. Another concern is automation potentially costing people their jobs. But, given that manufacturers currently have a shortage of skilled labor, many jobs will simply be changed by it rather than replaced. Like any new technology, IoT devices often represent a significant investment. The devices themselves may be expensive on their own, and when you add on installation, it can get costly, especially when integrating new technology into outdated systems. Along with the initial costs of IoT, integration of new tech into your existing processes and infrastructure can take time. Most integrations are done gradually, asset by asset, process by process. Now, let's look at 5 popular use cases for IoT in manufacturing. First, supply chains. IoT has become a popular tool in supply chain management. Monitoring a fleet of vehicles or tracking boxes around a warehouse is easy when IoT devices are used. Second, facility management. IoT provides manufacturers with increased visibility of their facilities and equipment. Asset health is constantly visible, and any abnormalities trigger an immediate alert. Third, research and development. IoT gives research teams access to high volumes of historical data, allowing them to draw on precise data when working to improve their processes, equipment, and products. Fourth, human productivity. IoT allows human workers to be more productive. Maintenance technicians are able to spend more of their time performing repairs and PM tasks. Fifth, safety. IoT also helps increase safety. Workers can report accidents when they occur, carry RFID tags to keep track of their location, and even wear health monitoring equipment. To visualize how IoT can help your facility, let's look at an example scenario. Suppose one of your production lines has 10 machines. If you were to start monitoring that entire process with IoT sensors, you could save $100 per week, or $5,200 per year. That means you'd have over $5,000 to put toward other areas in your business just from that one line. In addition to the potential cost savings offered by IoT, your sensors will be able to detect faults before they occur, prompting repairs before a costly breakdown drives your production to a halt. In terms of safety, you'll have alerts before conditions get too dangerous, allowing you to take precautions as quickly as possible. When used in connection with a CMMS, IoT technology gives you unparalleled visibility of each asset's health. You can get real-time alerts when equipment conditions cross set parameters, pull up usable reports to make your maintenance planning vastly more efficient, and track when tasks are completed to improve your workflow processes. In conclusion, IoT technology has already had a visible impact on manufacturing, and it will continue to do so as it facilitates equipment maintenance, supply chain optimization, workplace safety, facility management, and R&D. Thank you for watching this video. We've discussed the transformative potential of IoT in manufacturing, its benefits, barriers to adoption, and some popular use cases. If you found this content useful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. For more information about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com. Your journey to operational efficiency starts with us.